तो सबसे पहले हम प्ले स्टोर पे जाते हैं। तो आप निकशाला ऐप को प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। ये ऐप आपको दो चीज़ों में मदद करेगा। पहला तो है यूनिवर्सिटी शॉर्टलिस्ट करने में, दूसरा उस पर्टिकुलर यूनिवर्सिटी पे जिस पे आपने सिलेक्ट किया है उस पे कैसे एप्लीकेशन होता है। लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा, आप प्लीज़ डाउनलोड कर लीजिएगा। तो इंटरफेस ऐसा कुछ दिखता है।
Entered the train. I'm at Zulu Vista Garden right now. This train is only going to take me about like 17 minutes from Zulu Vista Garden to Potsdam Hauptbahnhof. So this is where we have reached, Potsdam Hauptbahnhof. All these red trains, what you see right here, right here, right here, these are all trains which are heading straight outside Potsdam Hauptbahnhof and outside state of Brandenburg. Like for example, this one is going to Magdeburg. Alright guys, so we have just reached outside Potsdam Hauptbahnhof station. This is what you get to see. There is bus stop right here. On this side there are tram stops right here on this side. So whichever part of the city you want to go, bus and tram are the most accessible ones. I have a friend who's gonna join us in this campus too. She's right here. There she is. Can you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm from Baroda in India, and I'm doing my Master's Astrophysics here in University of Potsdam.
Do you want to talk a bit about your education background before we get to the video?
Sure. I did my bachelor's in physics back in India, and then I scored 6.7 GPA, and then I did my master's in physics, scored 7.3 GPA, and then I came here, applied here, and got master's in astrophysics.
And since how long are you in Germany?
2 years.
2 years. Quick question, how many campuses are there for University of Potsdam?
So there are 3 campuses. One is Campus Gribnitzy, the main campus known as Campus University or Neopele, and the third one is Campus Gold.
So which one are we going to go right now, immediately?
Right now we'll go to the main campus.
Yeah. So we'll take you to the main building where you're supposed to get your enrollment done. This is the place where you're supposed to show up on first day. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. Quick question before we go ahead. If somebody's flying for the first time, what is the way to get to Potsdam?
So nearest airport is Berlin. So you can get down at Berlin airport, and from there you can find a train that is a regional train that is quite direct to the Potsdam Hauptbahnhof. Or you can get a S-Bahn also, S7, that is coming to the Potsdam Hauptbahnhof, and you can get down here. That's the last stop in S-Bahn, S7.
BBR is the nearest airport, Berlin airport, and the red train which I came in, that is the RE she was talking about. Otherwise there are local trains which connect this city to Berlin city, which runs through like a really big. What is the way to reach to main campus from here?
So easiest way is to get into the bus number 605 and 606. Both are going to the main campus and also Campus Gold.
So just to quickly recap, this is where I came out from. There is a tram stop right there, and right opposite to the main gate there are a line of different buses. So where are we right now?
So we are in front of the Student and Work office, Student and Work Potsdam. We have only one office in Potsdam. Here you have to come if you want to get into the dorm, or if you are applying for a dorm. of course, in normal case. Right now in COVID time, we just have to mail or call them and they will just reply. So right now we are at Platz der Einheit area, and from here you can go to Rathaus for a city registration and also for a visa renewal, and immigration office is also there. So you have to get down at stop Rathaus.
For visa extension, I think there's a different building, or is it the same building?
Yes, no, that's a different building. You just have to walk little bit far. So in the next lane, you can find that Ausländer office. Ausländer means foreigner office.
So we're going to show that also.
Yes. Okay, so we are in front of Rathaus, and here you can get your city registration done.
And why is this paper important?
It is very important for your visa renewal and for your other stuff also, like later on for your job and everything. You need this city registration form. Otherwise, you will be illegal in Germany.
So this is the main entrance for Auslanderbehörde. When was the last time you were here?
Recently, just in September.
September, right? Okay. So where are we right now?
So right now we are at main campus Universität, and here our graduation ceremony in normal times it's held in here, and we have an administration office here, TK office here, ESTA office here, Mensa, the big canteen where you can have food in a very cheap rate. Everything is here.
Is this also the place where we are supposed to come on day one?
Yes.
Okay.
So
For enrollment, huh?
yes, for enrollment. So you will get first email the enrollment letter. So with that and with certificate copies, you have to come here and you have to drop over in that building that will show you in some time.
What is the name of the campus here?
It's Campus University.
Eh.
Pele.
Neupelle. What are we going to see inside?
Inside there is a museum, and it's a part of a Schloss Francis.
Okay.
So we are inside the main campus, and here it's enrollment office. In this post box you have to submit your document, and here it's the international office. You can go inside the building and just find your way.
Somewhere there. Where is the main and international office?
From
that's the gate. Okay,
Yeah.
there. And for enrollment, where is that box? The black box there.
Yes, yeah.
This one. So this is the box. Here's the entrance for student council. This is where the enrollment office is, and welcome center is right here. There is an international office right there. Do you also have some classes here in this area?
Not in this area. This is mainly office area, and here that's a small cafeteria.
That's the cafeteria right there. You can see the benches. This is the gate you're supposed to go if you have issues with your internet, huh?
Yeah.
That's where we showed you international office and then enrollment box right there. Where are we going next?
Next we are going to the campus school.
Okay. So this is the map. At the moment we are at this yellow spot, and then there are different departments and different buildings. It's all filled with different faculties right here. You can see it. Which is your building number?
It's 28.
28.
Yeah.
What is the cost of living here in Potsdam as a student?
Around 700 to 800 euros.
Okay, can you give me the breakdown?
Sure. So if you get in dorm, then it's like 200 to 300 for the rent, and then you have a TK insurance price, and then you have food around 150 to 200, and the other expenses. So it will be around 700 to 800.
You spend at least 7 to 800 a month?
Not really. It depends upon person to person.
Right.
If you are non-vegetarian, then you have to spend bit more because non-veg is more expensive than this, and yeah.
This is what we showed you from outside. This is where we entered from, and yeah. There are a lot of different department buildings here. Do you know which or what are they?
This I know as a chemistry. The other for biology. That side it's the maths building.
Okay. What are the English taught programs here for masters? Do you know?
I know about mine, that's for sure. So astrophysics, maths, chemistry, biochemistry as well, data science.
And the application process was via UniAssist or direct?
Yes, via UniAssist.
UniAssist in your case.
Yeah.
Also wanted to ask you, what about situation with part-time job, because we are very close to Berlin, which I know.
Yeah.
In terms of opportunity you guys have, but like what's with the situation here in Potsdam?
So here, as you can see, we have very so much institute makes plan phone offers, so you can get any student assistantship job in this institute. And if you want to do job in some KFC or McDonald's, that's also possible here in Potsdam. Or you can quickly go to nearby Berlin places and you can get the job.
Right. You're talking about HEVI jobs, I guess, yeah? Institution
Yeah,
jobs. Okay. This is dormitory on the campus.
खाली एक building है, बाकी के वो building.
Okay, so just as a landmark, this is mathematics department, and right opposite to mathematics department, there's a dormitory right here.
There are two more buildings also.
Two more buildings
Yeah,
ahead.
and also a new building that just built this year.
Okay.
This is quite new, and now they are giving. In that dorm we have a own bathroom and kitchen. So this is men's
So this is Mensa,
whole building.
cafeteria.
Yes.
Everything is empty. There's no one, of course. But hopefully, by the time you guys are here, things should be open, and you can come and enjoy the beauty of the city and this university. Where are we?
So here we have fitness room also. So this building and also the other building, we have some fitness rooms. So you can come here, enroll, and just play badminton or any kind of sports.